You could make a run up here to that 53 cents, but that's a least likely solution. The most likely is if you bounce down the top part of the shithouse or the last line of defense, you come up into this area, the old rejection zone where all the buyers are trapped. It comes up into here and there's a wall of sell pressure and then it drives you down, right? So those are your two options: 28 underneath support, 37 overhead resistance, 53 on any kind of crazy, phenomenally fabulous pump. That's where you'd get out if you were playing that. I wouldn't be playing that. I'd be looking more at the 37 cents on the rejection point and 28 cents on maybe some brief support, right? And then the same thing goes for Cardano. You can see it's in between the shithouse and Cardano and the last line of defense to the shithouse. And it's the same thing as XRP. If you can bounce up and get to the top part, the bottom part of this last line of defense, right now you can see rejected, 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 because when you're coming back up into these old support areas, they become resistance. And you're going to get, it's going to be hard to get above this, but if you can get above this and hold it, you can make a run up into here eventually. Or you're coming down here, which is a big fall to 31 cents, and nobody wants to be part of that unless you're shorting it on the way down. Like, subscribe, and share. Use my links down below. Help support the channel. Members of Jabroni Killer. Peace and love. Peace.